Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the July late code challenge problem. The problem is find and replace pattern. So the problem number is 890. I am trying to solve this problem. So first watch the problem statement, and then after that I am trying to implement my logic as a driver, and then after that I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So what is that? Basically a list of string has been given, and a pattern has been given, and we'll have to return the list of word which will match that pattern. And the word I mean that the return order will be anything. I mean that some of them has been come to the first and some of them came to the last. It would be not as a serialized object, like serializable not serializable, that is a serial by object, that is not to be required. So first I am trying to write it, then after that I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. Suppose I have A B C, C A A, B A A, L B B, C D A, and the pattern is A B B. So first I make the that pattern the backbone. I mean that if I've been taking that backbone, first it will be 0, that is 1, and then after that will be 1. That will be the backbone of that pattern. And right now I am trying to check that which string backbone is matching with that. That is matching with that. That is matching with that, and that is matching with that. So after that I will return that all of them, that is CAA, BAA, and LBB. So how I'm trying to do that? So let's find it. So what is happening, that ABB. So first I make an map, basically that is a character and integer. So first I will check that if that character is present in that map or not. If that is not, if in map not present the character, then that output, I mean that MP of that character, that is A, will be updated to the map.size. What? Why map.size? Suppose the first case, so M of A, what is that? That is not counting, so that is the map.size. What is that? 0. So after that, that 0 value will be added as an answer. I mean that backbone value, that is 0. So after that, B is counting? No. So B is counting? No. But what is the right now the map size? The map size is 1. So that will be updated there. So after that, second one. So if is it already present? Yes, already present. So that value will be updated there. So after that, there is the 0 1 1, and 0 1 1 1 is the backbone of that pattern. So after that, how do I do that? LBB as the same pattern. First in the map that is not been present. So first MP of L, is it present? No. So what is the map size? Currently 0. So updated at 0. After that, MP of B, and that is answer will be 0. Map MPB, is it present? No. But what is the current size of the map? That is 1. So that will be updated as 1, and that value will be adding with answer, that is 1. MP of B, is it present? Yes. What is the map size? Say L and B. So map size sorry. So is it present? So there will be not required to do that. So what is the value of that A? So that's the 1 value will be inserting one more time. So after that it will be returning 0 1 1. Is it matching with that previous that pattern backbone? Yes, 0 1 1. So after that I will adding that value as an answer. I mean that not answer, that is the vector which are trying to return as an answer. So basically what will do that, first it will take the 1 times, and basically number of that is the number of word and the maximum length of word, maximum length. So if I've been taking the k is the maximum length, so in that case order of a into k is the time complexity, and I am taking that order of 26 size of that map basically. So in that case the space complexity, if I've been taking that is basically the order of 1, but the time complexity is order of n into k. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. Okay. So what is happening? First I will check that. Make the backbone. Basically string backbone is equals to DNA of pattern. Yep. Then for auto I words, and then if backbone is equals to DNA of I, then the answer dot, okay, hold on, I'll have to make that vector basically string answer dot pushback basically the I, and after that I will return the answer. So let's make the DNA function string DNA string s. First I will make that map character integer, that is MP. First for integer length is basically that means string length size, and right now for integer I is equals to 0, I less than length I plus plus. If mp dot count is not counting in the map basically or s of I, in that case mp of s of I is equals to mp dot size, and after that suppose that is not been present, in that case so that is not been present, and after that if the value has been present, in that case I will return the string basically string backbone is equals to empty, and after that backbone class is equals to the mp of s of I. Why I am not taking this else? Because for else case that value also to be updated, and for if the value has been already present, so that value also have to be updated, so that's why I am not taking that else part. So the backbone that will be updated there, and that after that when all the procedure has been completed, then after that I will return the backbone, that one. So I am trying to check my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it is accepting. I am trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.